Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to be talking about Lucid Motors stock, where it's going today, why is it dipping a little bit? Am I worried? Absolutely not. I will definitely tell you some good news out there. If you are a long-term Lucid holder of the stock, I think this is great buying opportunities. I think you're going to do great in this stock. Just my opinions, but before we get into this, if you can please smash me that thumbs up, the like button. It keeps me alive on YouTube so others can see my videos. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Join the community. If you would like to get my videos right when they come out, hit that little notification bell, hit all so you can get all the videos out there that I put right when they go out. But I do have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about some Lucid Motor news as this company is starting to take off. I'm so excited about Lucid Motors as a company because we are in this company at the very beginning. This is an EV startup company. It did get its first production vehicles out. September 29th was just a few weeks ago, and they did roll off the assembly lines. They did have that open house of the factory. The media actually got to see these vehicles. We've had a lot of car enthusiasts go out there, review these vehicles, and they are getting stellar reviews, glowing remarks. And this vehicle will be known around the world as a top-notch EV luxury automaker, but not only that, but a huge, wonderful technology company as well. But enough of that, but I did want to just share some news with you. I did find a great article that we will be talking about today. It is from Investor Place. The title of this article is Lucid Air is receiving stellar reviews, and that's good news for the Lucid stock. The LCID, which is the Lucid stock, may not remain at current levels at this price of stock right now for long, based on its early reviews of the Lucid Air. So as I have mentioned, the glowing remarks, the glowing stellar reviews are going out there based on all the people that are connected to this vehicle, that have seen it, that have driven it. Everybody is just, googly-eyed over this vehicle. It is going to do great in the world. But right now, all over the world, there's not a lot of people that know the Lucid brand yet. I think that will definitely change in the next 6 months. If not, maybe a little bit longer based on this car coming out. Remember, this year alone, only 577 vehicles of the Lucid Air Dream will be sold this year in the year 2021. Starting next year, Lucid will be coming out with 20,000 of its vehicles, the Lucid Air. There's going to be 4 different trims, ranging anywhere from $70,000 all the way to $169,000. Depending on what size of motor. If you get 1 motor, 2 motors, 3 motors, all these will have very, very good performance. They will have extremely great luxury. When you do compare them to the competitors, there will be no comparison because Lucid will outdo all these vehicles. Now, but I did want to get back to this article because it has really good things to say about it. But they are comparing it to the electric world leader, which is Tesla. And right now, Tesla, I own Tesla stock. Tesla is the best out there, according to the EV market. It does have the best-selling EV vehicles out there. They did produce the first vehicle, the Tesla did, in the year 2009. So they are quite ahead of Lucid Motors in the perspective of mass production of the vehicles. Just this past August, they did sell the Tesla Model 3, became the first EV to sell over 1 million units of the vehicle, which is huge. And it does give it the Tesla, the market cap of roughly $875 billion. So it's a huge, huge company. When you do compare this to Lucid Motors is just starting out. Its first production was just released. Like I said, it rolled off the assembly lines a couple weeks ago. They are a very small company. They have just started, but they do have a lot of very nice capital. They are valued at about $40 billion, which is very good for an EV startup company. And let's just take a gander and take a look at and contrast these two companies. So Lucid Motors is a very good option for the beginning investors, and especially if you have missed out on Tesla, I do think that this is a very nice entry point into a EV company that will compete with Tesla, not just in its EV capabilities, the electric technology, but also in the realm of the technology space. So this is Lucid Motors is not just a car company, it's a technology company, much like Tesla. That is why it does have a higher valuation of the company. But let's just look at this stock. So Tesla right now is having the stock share about $873 a share. And look at Lucid Motors. It is now under $25. I have been saying if you can get this stock under $25, you are getting a good deal in this stock if you are holding it long term. And I definitely think that this does present some buying opportunities for investors. And I think that this company will take off. It does have that great technology. But we are starting to see a lot of people, a lot of analysts that are praising this vehicle. Let me just show you a few of those. So Motor Trend did praise this vehicle. He said that the interior just was wowing. When compared it to Tesla, Lucid does have that wonderful luxury cabin feel. And it does smartly avoid all the huge screens, such as the Mercedes EQS. Car and Driver did say that the all-electric Lucid Air is remarkable first effort from a first-time automaker, and it's a sizable sedan that's also an excellent EV. Lastly, we have Consumer Reports. They did say that when it comes to electric vehicles, and especially the long ranges, this is the new champion. Because remember that the previous record holder for one charge of battery life was the Tesla Model S long range, which had a range of 405 miles. Well, now you do have a car out there that can beat that by 115 miles on a single charge, which is the Lucid Air. So definitely great news to come. There is a very big demand, which is great for the company and will be great for the stock of the Lucid Air trims. Now, next year, they will be producing those 20,000 vehicles. So far, 13,000 and counting reservations have been accounted for. Some people are putting down payments of up to $7,000 for their Lucid Air Dream Edition version of this vehicle, but definitely already more than half of the vehicles are already reserved for next year for 2022. We also have seen that Canada has now been allowed to buy the Lucid Air vehicles as well, which will open up for even more reservations of this vehicle. And it's great news. And I do think that this will be a big potential for this stock. So before this stock does start taking off, I do think that if you get this stock under $25, you are getting a very good deal if you are holding this stock long term. Now, I did want to just transition and talk to you about the stock price. In the past one day, we did go down by 2.4% to $24.73. I have been saying if you can get this stock under $25, you are getting a good deal. I do think that this presented a good buying opportunity for anybody that wants a position in Lucid Motors stock, or if you are dollar cost averaging down, which means that you bought at a higher price earlier, and you do want to buy this stock at a dip to bring your whole average cost down. Now, in the past 5 days, we are still up about 8.2%. We have seen that we have gotten as low as $22.25 last week on Wednesday, October 13th, but we have had a very nice growth in this stock in the past 1 week, which I do see that this will be continuing through this month. I do think that by the end of this month, by the time that we do have those deliveries, I do think that we will be testing that $26 point, which let me just show you in the past 1 month, we've had resistance at $26. So anytime the stock went to $26.80, we had some sellers out there. So I do think that people are still swing trading Lucid, which is fine. It does give other people buying opportunities on the dips. But as we can see here, we went to $25.89. We did go down, but then the next day we did go back up. This is part of the game. It is part of trading. When you do go into buying any kind of stocks, please do your own due diligence and have a plan when you get in and when you want to get out. For my plan, it's to get in. I'm telling you what the good buy points are. If you can get this stock under $23, you're getting a steal of a deal. Right now, if you do get it under $25, I think you're still getting a great deal. But here's the caveat: if you hold it long term. By long term, you need to hold it at least 1 year. So there will be some rough roads. There will be some bumps in the road. This is normal. This is part of the trading, the part of the stock market. But in the next 12 months, I do think that you will get a very good return on your money. If we look in the past 6 months, we are still up 34% in this stock. We did see a low on May 13th of $17.25. We went up all the way up 54% in just a matter of 4 weeks. I do think that we just did repeat that in September 1st. We were at $17.80 and we popped this stock up all the way 50.7%. And we did have that cool off, that selling period. We did sell about 15.7%. And then following 3 weeks after that, same thing happened here. June 8th to June 21st, we went down by 13.8%. But look at this right up here. I think this is where at the point where we are right now. I do think that this stock has a very nice potential to pop up in this stock. But if you are day trading, definitely you will get these big highs, big lows. But if you're long term, you're really not going to be worrying about these, because in this stock, you're going to do really good long term. But again, please see what kind of comfort level you have if you do decide to purchase this stock. But I do definitely think that we are in this phase right now. I do think by the end of October, we will be getting that $26 price point. Even we potentially could be testing that $28. If we look in the past 6 months, our resistance point is $28.80. So if we do hit that $26.80 mark, which is our current resistance, the next resistance point will be that $28. And from there, it will be the $30 to next testing phase. By the end of this year, I do think that we will hit a stock price by $35. I have been predicting by the end of this year, and we'll definitely have to see how that works. Now let's transition into tip ranks, what the analysts are out saying about this stock, the Lucid stock. They do give it a smart score of 8, which is outperforming the market. The analysts do give it a moderate buy out there. The tip rank investors are very positive about this. This news sentiment, I do give you all the news. It has been quite bullish in the past 7 days. And they do have the single moving average has turned positive, and we are up with a nice momentum and a nice change in the past 12 months on this stock. Now, whenever we do look at the analysts out there in the stock price forecast in the next 12 months, we do have those 3 reviewers. They do give it a moderate buy. 2 of these are a buy, 1 a sell. The sell one is from Morgan Stanley. The analyst, his name is Mr. Jonas. He did give us a lowest price target of $12. The highest price target was actually from Bank of America. They did give it $30. When you average these together, you are getting your $23.33, which is a potential about 5.66% downside from now with these 2 averages. I have been throwing out this $12 low price target, and I have just been using 2 of the highest price targets. One was $30 from Bank of America. Citigroup did give it $28 in the next 12 months. I do average those 2 together, which does give you a $29 price target in the next 12 months. That is according to the analysts. Again, if I show you the price right now that you are getting it at, if you can get this under $25, now you see why I'm saying the $25. In the next 12 months, if it can hit $29, you're still getting a very nice increase in your stock and a very nice potential. But I hope that you do enjoy this video. I hope that you learned something new, because I do think that Lucid Motors as a company is going to do great. When you do compare it with Tesla, I do think that it can compete. Now, it is, when you look at their finances and where they're at, it is like a David versus Goliath. You definitely have the huge strong man being the Tesla, and the very fresh new boy coming out that has a great potential. You have David. So definitely, I think that both of these are going to be very big in the future. And please do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock. But if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, the like button. Again, I'll share my videos with the YouTube community. I would like to welcome you to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. If you would like to get all my videos whenever they do come out, hit that notification bell, hit all, and you will get those alerts right when I post these videos. Also, I would like to invite you to use my link down below for moomoo. I do have Webull, Robinhood, Coinbase. If you use those links down below, if you use that link, Some of them you'll get a free share of stock, like moomoo. You'll get a free share of stock just by opening an account with my link down below. If you deposit $100, you will get a free share of stock. It was Lucid Motors. I think that promotion has now moved on, but you will definitely be getting another stock free. But definitely take advantage of that, as it is free money. And thank you again for supporting the channel, for watching my videos, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.